How you doing? Well, it's October, and that means it's time for Halloween desserts. So I'm gonna be making a blood fudge. This video is part of a collaboration. See the end of the video for more information. I've got a 9x9 here. I put some tin foil in there, gave it a spray. In a bowl, you need a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Add some red food coloring and set that aside. Grab a pan. In that pan, you'll need 3 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of butter. That's 1.5 sticks. 2/3 cup, half and half. Heat it up to a boil, stirring continuously. Keep it at a rolling boil on medium until it reaches 234 degrees, about 4 minutes. Remove from heat and add a bag of white chocolate chips, a container of marshmallow cream, teaspoon of vanilla, mix it in. Add half to those semi-sweet chips and give that a stir. Oh, that looks bloody. You need scoops of each mixture in a random pattern in the pan. Shake it to level it out and bounce it to get rid of air bubbles. And then it's time to grab a knife and run that back and forth to create a fun pattern in that fudge. And let that cool completely. I'm ready to cut this blood fudge. Yeah. Yes. Blood fudge. Yes. To see more Halloween desserts, check the playlist in my description. And thank you, Christie's Farmhouse, and I'm merely Melissa, for hosting this collaboration. Halloween desserts are cool! Why do ghosts like health food? Because it's supernatural.